So we're on our way to the all-inclusive small group Blue Mountain tour with Viator. So we're pretty excited about it. Today is our first day in Sydney. We got in last night, and fortunately, because I used my noggin, we don't have any jet lag. So I'm going to do a private video on how to avoid jet lag when you're leaving from the States to Sydney. So let's go walk. We got about a 3/4 of a mile walk to where we got to go pick up the tour group, and then we're gonna go check out some cool stuff. Now, you can fly a drone out there in the Blue Mountains, but you have to request permission within 10 days. I did it about 20 something days ago, but they denied my request because you have to give them the exact time that you're gonna be flying, and you have to give them the exact GPS coordinates of where you're gonna be at. So how am I gonna figure that crap out, right? So there will be no drone footage from the Blue Mountains. I think it's their way of making sure that people don't fly a drone, but they are drone friendly. So we'll see, but we're gonna get walking. So we're in the Blue Mountains, and we're about to see the Three Sisters. This place is just so beautiful. And in the distance, I don't know if you can see it, but we're gonna go over there and take a train all the way down there. And apparently it is a scary ride. So they have different settings you can go to. One of them is called Cliffhanger. So I'm excited to see that, get a little amusement park ride. And I want to see her face too. Point, you can take 817 steps and get to the Three Sisters, but going down is the easy part. Coming back up 817 steps, maybe not so much. So I'm gonna meet in the middle. I'm gonna take a little ramp down to a different observation point. They actually have 2 different observation points that you can do of the Three Sisters, so I'm not doing 817 steps, sorry. So the Three Sisters are all that remain of the 7 sisters. So through erosion and time, 4 of the sisters have fallen away. So when you're looking at the Three Sisters, if you look to the right, you can see kind of the remnants, if you will, of the 4 remaining sisters. So the Blue Mountains got their name because there's over 400 different species of eucalyptus in the mountains, and the oils, when they release the chemicals into the air, when the sun hits it, it creates a blue haze, which makes it look like blue mountains. Pretty interesting. Now, one thing to know when you come to the Blue Mountains, you may want to bring some bug spray. The black flies around here are very annoying. So if you don't like to be bugged by bugs, then like that, bring some bug spray.